How to disable passcode lock on IMO. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you're trying to remove security locks or make your IMO app easier to access, here's how you do it. First of all, launch open the IMO application on your device, and once you're inside, go ahead and write down your passcode first, and once you're inside the home page of IMO, go to the upper left corner and tap on your profile picture. Now from this Me menu, select Security and Privacy above the Settings menu. Now, go ahead and tap on Passcode Lock, and on the next page, tap on Disable Passcode Lock in red. Now click on Disable in the pop-up and go ahead and enter your current passcode lock, and you have successfully done it. Your IMO passcode lock is now disabled. You can access the app without entering a PIN anymore. But if you ever want extra security again, you can always turn it back on using the same steps. Hope this video helped you out. If you want more simple tutorials like this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below in the comment box. We're happy to help make your apps easier and smoother to use. Stay tuned for more.